Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will be reviewing an app called MyDailyCash. In this app you can earn money by completing tasks and minimum withdrawal amount is 1000 credits only. You can use above email to contact me. Our links will be in the description. These are all the offers you can complete in the app. $100 credits equals $1 by you joining through my link in description. I can show you the payment proof once I reach it. If you have any problems with the app, always go to FAQ. If not, contact their support. Remember to add your PayPal email here before withdrawing. It is a very simple app to use and earn. You can contact me in the email below or in description.